Good afternoon, students. Our next topic is warm up. So, let's start with the meaning of warm up. Warm up is a process of raising body temperature by engaging in a variety of general exercises such as jogging, running, jumping, hopping, cycling, skipping, etc. Some specific exercise that go with the specific skill of game a person chooses to participate in. As opposed to warming up, limbering is a process of climbing down or cooling down after the conclusion of competition or a training unit in order to get back to the normal stage. In fact, there is so many research studies shows that putting a sudden stop to the physiological system working at top speed is harmful for athlete. So, a gradual climb down is necessary. What is warm up? Warm up is a gentle, slow exercise at the beginning of a workout, PE session, or sporting competition. Warming up is done to tone up the body so as to meet the ensuing activity. Consists of a series of preparatory exercise either before a training session or competition. A preliminary exercise of physical and mental preparation for a strenuous exertion. Increases temperature of blood and muscle, improve the performance. So all these are the definitions of warming up. Whichever you like, you can note down in your period notebook. In the next slide, you can see here there is so many activities which is related to warm up. So you must follow this warm up routine before you're exercising. And these are jogging, marching, back kick exercise, front kick exercise, hand in the air exercise, knee bend exercise, etc. Why it's important? Why we are doing warm up? There is lots of benefits of warm up. So, importance of warm up is enhancing cooling efficiency, reduce the blood lactic acid. I want to explain this topic because it's very important. So many research studies indicate that heart rate and consumption of oxygen are directly related to the muscle temperature. Higher the temperature, higher will be the consumption of oxygen and heart rate, and thus blood lactic acid is reduced. With the proper warm up, we will avoid the chance of injury. Increase the speed of muscles, increases flexibility, increases strength, and increases endurance. The types of warm up. Basically, there is two types of warm up. First one is a passive warm up, and second is active warm up. What is passive warm up? The main aim of passive warm up is to increase the body temperature without performing any physical activity. It means in passive warm up, the subject will not perform any physical activity. In passive warm up, the body temperature is increased usually by the external. External means such as by wearing a heavy uniform, massage, drinking hot water, steam, taking sun bath, etc. Passive warm up is beneficial because there is no expenditure of energy in the process of warming up. In the next slide you can see here there is no expenditure of energy in a especially passive warm up. Next is active warm up. In active warm up, a sports person take part in various physical activity. These activities increase his work efficiency, muscles are toned up, the temperature of body increases up to required level, and the best example of this active warm up is jogging and stretching exercises. There are the two types of active warm up, and these are general warm up and specific warm up. Now maybe you are thinking, what is general warm up? So the correct general warm up for the average person should to take about 5 to 10 minutes and the result in a light sweat. The aim of general warm up is simply to elevate the heart rate and respiratory rate. This increases the blood flow and assist in the transportation of oxygen and nutrients to the working muscles. The increase in muscles temperature allow for more effective static stretch. These are the points of general warm up, but I want to add few more points, and these are: this increases coordinative ability and flexibility of muscles and joints. It also improves muscle tone. The duration of warming up depends upon the nature of work to be performed. Next is passive warm up. The next is specific warm up. Specific warm up exercises are done with implements. Specific exercises are performed which have directly relationship with the activity to be done. The specific exercises are performed after the activity of general warming up. In fact, specific type of warming up differ from activity to activity, which means game to game. It means, maybe you can understand with the example. Suppose we are playing a cricket, then specific warm up, it's depend upon bowling, catching or batting practice. In fact, in the badminton, forward bending, sideward bending, backward bending, body twisting, these are the example of specific warm up. In the same way, for the basketball, dribbling, shooting, layup shots, these all are a example of specific warm up. Come to the next. What is the advantages of warming up? If we are doing a regular warm up, then we will increase the strength and power, increase the body temperature, decrease the viscosity of muscle, increase the speed of nerve impulses, decrease the resistance in muscle capillaries, increases metabolic rate, reduce the anxiety and tension, enhance cooling efficiency, avoid the chances of injury, decrease the reaction time, increase the flexibility, increase the explosive power, improve the neuromuscular coordination, and improve the level of performance also. So thank you, boys.